To make collage of photos, come into canva.com. From your home page. On this object panel here, you would see templates. So once the template opens up, we are going to search for photo collage. So you click on search for photo collage and you'll see all these beautiful, amazing options begin to pop out on your screen. So if you like any of these templates, you might just pick it up, but I am going to click on create blank so you have all the flexibility you need to create your own photo collage. So let's click on this create blank, and from here I have my page open to start putting in what I want to use. From here you can also still come into templates here again and pick any templates of your choice, but me, I pretty much want to create my collage from scratch. So I'm going to go over to elements here and I would search for pattern. I want to put in something on the background. Pattern background, I will select that and you see all those beautiful patterns begin to show up. So I'll go into photos here and you want to select the pattern you will use, or if you go back to graphics, you can see every variety of pattern that is customizable. I would select this pattern and I will spread it out just to give my design a base to work with. Pull this in here, pull it in here, and this image now I'm going to duplicate and bring it down. You see I have formed that collage. Let's just move it up a bit. So yeah, so we have everything together. So this is looking all polished, and I will select both and I will group them and go to transparency and reduce the transparency a bit so I have this faded look on the background. Still on the element library, you want to close this out. I will come into frames here. I would select frames. I will go over to basic shapes. So from here I'm going to scroll down to find the kind of shape I want, and I want to use this shape to form the base. So I'll pull this shape here, place it like so, and pull this one here, place it like so. So I'm going to pull this one in, pull this one in like this. Let me select both of them. Hold down shift on your keyboard, select this one, and you've selected both of them. So you can now group so you can find the middle of your design. I would group and go into position and find the center. It's already in the middle. Now that I have it centered, I will ungroup. And from here, let's go back into elements. Let me pull in this shape and pull in this shape. So I have the both of them together. I will click on the one behind, hold down shift on my keyboard, select this one and go to position, center and middle it. Now I have the option to resize the size so that both of them are the same size. I will click out, click back into the shape and begin to pull this here, and let's select this one and make sure it's well aligned with this one. Now so we have this here. If you want to add text boxes, you can come over to text and write your own text. If I add a text box, click out, click back in and resize how I want that text to be like. I'll pull it here and put in my text. I'll make this all caps so that it has my text in there. So now to bring in your own images, you want to come over to the upload tab here. You will click on upload files and bring in your own images. Once you click on the upload file, you will have the option to bring in your own images. I will cancel this and let me go bring in the images I have already. Let me pull this image in here. And you see that sits beautifully. And if I pull this one here, I can click on the shape and come over to this frame here and pull her head down. and I can pull her a bit here so she's positioned properly. And also can click on this one and flip it, flip horizontally. Yes, that begins to align beautifully. I will click on select, drag this image here and drop her into this place. I'm going to also select this image and drop it here. So you see we have this option of images, and if I bring this down, I just want to get a center. Yes, I'll duplicate that text box and also pull it here for me to write what I want to write. Beautiful. So we have our design. So you've pulled in a collage of images. I want to still select this background and reduce the transparency further because it seems it's messing up with what we are doing. So even give this a cool vibe further, you can click on the shape and go into effects and give it a drop effect so that it has this drop effect. Let's change the direction to let's bring the direction here to 45. Yeah, I will give this one also a drop effect. That works. I will give this a drop effect. That works. And we'll give this a drop effect, but this time we'll change the direction into, yeah, so this way we have a photo collage. Once you're happy with how your collage look, you want to add in any text you want to put in here, you can now click on share, and you can pretty much download the file type as a PNG, or you can download as a PDF depending on whatsoever you're using the document for, whether you are printing it or what. So whichever file type that works for your need, you can download it from here.